Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you how to froth milk with an espresso machine. This will be a simple tutorial and a full tutorial, so let's get right into the video. Your espresso machine must have a steam wand like this right over here, and you can froth your milk for various types of coffee drinks that you can make. Now you also have to have a milk pitcher like this, and as you can see I have this milk pitcher. The milk will grow, it will increase in volume, it'll come close to doubling in volume depending on how much you froth it, so don't fill your milk pitcher up. Okay, now I'm going to tell you what I'm going to do. First, I'm going to purge the wand, which is basically to release any milk and water and anything else that's left in there. Then once the wand has been purged, I'm going to turn it off. And before I turn it on again, I'm going to be inserting just the tip of the wand into the milk. You just want to insert just this little bit of the wand into the milk, not a lot of it. I like to use the spout of the milk jug right over here as a guide. So as you can see, I'm placing the tip along the spout, the wand along the spout, and then the tip just goes into the milk. I want it just a little bit underneath the milk because we're trying to insert air into the milk, and we angle it so that it sort of creates a whirlpool motion which will heat up and froth all of the milk. So what we're going to do, we're going to purge this at first. I'm going to turn this on. This machine does take a few moments after you turn it to steam mode to actually get the steam on working. So just give it a moment. You're probably going to see some milk come out as well because I just put it in. I just put the steam on into the milk, so you can see right there. There it is. Okay. Now, okay, so we're just going to let it purge right here. There we go. Wipe it a few times. Turn it off. Now with this machine, when I turn off the steam wand, it actually will purge the rest of the steam through here, so that, as you can hear right there, it's quite loud, but it's really effective, so that I can actually use it directly for espresso next, and the espresso will be the correct temperature. So it purges the extra steam and the extra hot water. Okay, so with that being said, we're ready to rock and roll. So we're gonna place the steam wand into the milk. It is submerged, I'd say like ½ an inch, not a lot, okay? Now we're gonna turn it on. You're gonna hear a loud hissing sound, and I'm gonna try and angle it so you can see exactly what's going on. We are going to be injecting some air into the milk, which will create that frothed milk, and it's gonna be called microfoam or micro bubbles, which are the small bubbles that we're creating right there, and it will thicken up. So pay attention to how thick it looks and how much is in there now. Let's go ahead and let's start. So I'm going to inject just the tip into the milk. We're going to turn on the steamer and the steam wand. I'm going to keep my hand over here just to get a feel for how warm the jug is. You don't want it to be too warm, right? You want to feel that jug get warm, but not too warm. So we're just going to wait. It's going to turn on probably in a couple of seconds. There we go. Getting ready to start frothing the milk. There it is. So right here, as you can see, hopefully you can see this, we're starting to get a little whirlpool motion. You're starting to see some bubbles over there. I'm going to try and angle it a bit more so you can see. Okay, continuing to heat up the milk. As you heat up the milk, it's going to expand anyways. So we can see the volume is increasing. You can probably see that happening right there. Keeping my hand on the milk jug, making sure that it doesn't get too hot. The tip is just barely submerged in there. When you're happy with the thickness, you can then bury the tip. You can bring it right under like that, okay? When you're happy with the thickness of your frothed milk. I'm not happy with it just yet. I'd like to froth it a little bit more, increase the volume a bit more. Now I'm gonna bury the tip, and that just ensures that we are just heating up the milk and steaming the milk more right about now, and we're good to go. I'm gonna turn this off. We're gonna let it purge, as you can see right there, okay? I'm not gonna do it right now on camera, because I don't want to waste your time, but I will purge the steam wand later. I'm just going to wipe it for now. I will purge the steam wand later. If you take a look at how beautiful that frothed milk is. I actually have a glass over here that I can pour it into, a clear glass, just so you can sort of see what it looks like. So as you can see, the milk is nice and frothed. The volume has increased. As you can see right there, I apologize about the poor lighting. Okay, we're going to pour it into the glass. You can see how awesome it looks. So you can see, look at this, look at that froth, look at that. Look at that. Perfect for many kinds of coffee drinks that you might want to make. Perfect. And that's it. Very, very nice and thick milk. Also, another quick tip, when you're done frothing your milk, if you want to sort of lower the bubbles down, give it a couple taps on the counter and you can lower the bubbles. And you can see I got some more out of it just by doing that. That's it. And you obviously do that before you pour it, but that's it. That is how to froth milk with a steam wand. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.